The top 5 creepiest insects include the assassin bug, known for its gruesome feeding habits, injecting a toxin that liquefies the insides of its prey, which it then sucks out. The Japanese giant hornet, the world's largest hornet, has a powerful sting and the ability to spray flesh-dissolving venom. The botfly is a parasitic insect whose larvae burrow into the skin of mammals, including humans, causing painful swellings. The giant weta from New Zealand is a large cricket-like insect that can be as heavy as a small bird. Topping the list is the bullet ant, infamous for its extremely painful sting, often described as feeling like being shot.